Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use the platform. So once you're done signing up, this is what you're going to see, right? So what you have to do, just go on my alerts, and then on the side you'll see an option that says edit scanner. Click that option, then it will take me here. So here is where you're going to select the instruments that you want to trade. So for example, I'll select gold, USD JPY, maybe as well as NZD USD. Then once I'm done, I'm just going to click the button that says launch scanner. So after doing that, you'll see the alerts based on the instruments that you chose, right? So these are the things that you must look for on the alerts. So each and every alert comes with an overall long-term direction as well as a short-term direction. So you can even tell by the color. So the blue color represents bullish, the red color represents bearish. Sometimes you'll see a gray color which represents neutral, right? So now let's get more into detail. So let's look at this USD JPY alert. So on this alert, we had our overall direction as bullish, and then our short-term direction, which is regarded as momentum, is also bullish. Reason being is because we had this blue arrow that is pointing up, which shows that the market is trending to the upside. And then if the market is trending to the downside, the market has a short-term bearish movement. You'll see it by this red arrow as well. So normally you'll get only 2 alerts in a day, right? The other one in the morning, then the other one in the afternoon. So you'll also tell by the emojis that are next to the dates of this alert. So for example, here there's a sun emoji, and then here there's a moon emoji. So the sun emoji represents the alert that you got in the morning, and then the moon emoji represents the alert that you got in the afternoon. And these red dots represent the latest alert. So all alerts that have this red dot means that are the alerts that we got today. So if you click your alert, that is where you're gonna get more details about the alert. So you're gonna get possible targets as well as possible reversals, and you also see the date and time of the alert, and you also have an option to view the chart. You can just simply click it and then it will open a chart for you. Even after opening the chart, you'll still have access to those alerts easily here at the top, right? So you can simply just click your latest alerts to see your possible targets and possible reversals as well. So now let me show you how to link your platform with your Telegram so that you can be notified as soon as you get new alerts.